Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is human capital formation. Population of a country is an asset for the economy. When we talk about a people as a resources, means it refer to the production skill ability of working populations. And when people acquire ability and skill to contribute more to the process of production, the economic growth, they become resources and earn reward for the same. Human capital means it refer to the stock of skill, knowledge, and in the people at given point of time. Human capital is required to make effective use of physical capital, and economic needs sufficient human capital in the form of engineer, doctor, professor, other professional who work of all type who engage in the production process. Population of a country become human capital when we make investment in the health, education, and training, housing and sanitations and pollution free environment. A country does not become rich only because a large population. It become rich due to the education, people capacity to work, technological advancements. Now first Now question arise, what is human capital formations? Human capital formation means adding to the stock of human capital over the period of time. It refers to increase the level of productivity and efficiency of people by making them more educated and healthy. What is the sources of human capital formation? The first is education, training, health, migration, and acquiring information. The first, education. Expenditure on education is important sources of human capital formation. Educated persons become more efficient and productivity generated more income than the uneducated person. They help in accelerating the development process of a nation. Next, training. Technical training add to the capacity of people to produce more. Training can be imparted in two ways: one on the full-fledged training course and other on the job training. Skill may be have acquired by the regular training through the process of learning new technology. On the job, what is called learning by doing. On the job training need to be a trained workers in the new technology, modern ideas, so that the productive skill can be improved. The worker may be trained in the firm itself under the supervision of experienced skilled worker, and worker may be sent off the off-campus training in the some technical training institutes. Next, health. Health is another important sources of human capital formations. A healthy person add more to the GDP of the nation than the sick person. Sickness leads to the absenteeism and loss of productivity. Good health increase in the physical capacity of human being. So investment in education, training, health result the upgradation of quality of human being as a factor of productions. And investment in education, health are regarded as two important sources of human capital formation. Next, migration. The people sometimes migrate from one place to another in search for the better job, higher salary that what they might earn in their native place. Migration involves two type of cost of transportation from one place to another and cost of living in different social environment. We normally find two form of migration of people from rural area to urban area in India. Or this type of migration take place mainly because of unemployment. It provide unemployment opportunity to actualize their skill, and underemployment to full utilize their skill. A migration of technical person from India to other country of the world. Next, acquiring information. People seek information regarding salary and other facilities available in the different labor markets so that they can choose the right job. People would like to know about the education institution, their education standard, cost of education, expenditure on acquiring all sort of information regarding labor market and other market like education, health are important in making decision regarding the investment in human capital and effective utilization of human capital. So we can say that human capital formation is the process of acquiring and increasing the number of person who have the skill, education and experience which can initial for the economic and political development of a country. Thank you.